AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is AMC Entertainment stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Let's end the week very strong. A fact about AMC is that I'm still waiting for just one break above so I can buy more, but since it's already Friday, I don't think it's gonna be happening Friday. You know, still definitely will keep an eye. Also, I've got a bunch of receipts with AMC by Discord with 58 results. This doesn't make it like anything potent for me to just randomly buy though, you know what I mean? Like, yes, I got the first break and the second one was already kind of all over the place, but all it comes down to me at this point is that if I see a second break about 315, this is a good buy for me. And this is obviously not financial advice, and there's a lot more like nuance to this. So, you know, there is getting inside the trade game and there's managing the trade game as well. Now, if you want to learn both, then just click the first link in the description and get the exclusive sauce, which is, again, you get free emails and all that. But ultimately, looking at the AMC, without a proper second break, I'm not going to look to buy. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, then just click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated.